Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to withdraw money from Bittrex to your bank account, then here's the step-by-step guide for you. So step 1 is log into Bittrex and go to holdings. After going to the holdings, you can find this type of interface where you can find USD or EUR, that's mean the US dollar or the European euro, that you can find here. And then after that, step 2, after finding the US dollar, you can find withdraw button here. Simply click on withdraw, then add your bank account details. After click on withdraw button, you can find this type of window or interface where you can simply click on get started. After simply click on get started, you can find the submit a request here, or you can do is when you click on withdraw button, then the step above you will see a pop-up like the screenshot below, and click on get started and new tab will open up. The newly opened tab serves as a ticket request to Bittrex support for the addition of your bank details. The first field will already feel pre-filled with your query, which is add bank account for Euro or USD where or SEPA's transfer. Proceed by entering your email address and then select the type of bank account you intend to add as indicated by the green arrow below. In this guide, they have just choose USD from here. After adding the email address here, then here you have to add the specification, now the bank location, then account type, select your account type from here, then make sure that your bank account is accepted or available in Bittrex, so you can choose the bank account from here after choosing the bank location. Now please enter the name of bank, enter the name of bank, then enter your bank's address line. Your one address line is enough, or if you want then you can add a second one. Then please provide your bank account number. You have to add your account number perfectly and correctly. Then please enter your routing number, that is US or Swift code for international. So you have to add that. Then review your withdrawal details. After your bank account has been successfully verified and linked to your Bittrex account, you can proceed to review your withdrawal details. Verify the withdrawal amount, confirm the withdrawal, and input the two-factor authentication code to complete the process. Now step 5 is receive money from Bittrex into your bank account. Now it will take up to 3 business days, so there is no need to be concerned if you don't see the funds immediately. So you have to wait until it transfer properly, so you have to it can take up to 3 business days. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.